Let's learn how you can fix people nearby not showing up on Telegram application. What is this? This is a new update by Telegram from September this year. You can't really find now people on nearby on your Telegram profile. This is because of Telegram new update, as you can see here. Telegram company is replacing the people nearby feature with a new feature called business nearby. So this feature will show verified businesses within an app along with their product catalogs. So what is this meaning? This means that you can no longer find people nearby that you have in contacts, only business. And there is no fix for this, so you can't really find people nearby. That's it. You will only have to find. You only can find businesses and not people. So if your account or Telegram isn't updated or it's old and you don't use it, you may find people nearby. But if it's updated and you have, for example, new version of iOS and new profile and latest Telegram update, you can't really find that people. So there is no fix for this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next.